great spec on this. I give it a 7 out of 10.
What's up, everyone? You are on the Corvette 252 show. Scroll down, click that subscribe button, become part of this awesome community. Let's go! Rev up your dreams to win this 2024 Corvette Z06. Experience the thrill, the ultimate performance, and shift yourself into gear to buy yourself some tickets. Let's go! Howdy, folks. Here is a Pittsburgh Vintage Grand Prix Association giveaway. Not just any giveaway, we have a 2024 Corvette Z06 convertible with the Z07 package plus $30,000. With this giveaway expiring on September the 30th, you do not want to miss out on this giveaway. This giveaway ends in 2 days. With you being a Corvette 252 member, viewer, and subscriber of this channel, you get 50% bonus entries on your ticket purchases. You better act fast. Again, this giveaway ends in 2 days, guys. Because I want you to be the winner of this 2024 Corvette Z06 convertible with the Z07 package and $30,000. And when I'm saying the convertible is a very desired car, I want you to be the winner of this vehicle. Again, you get 50% bonus entries on your ticket purchases. So while you're at it, go ahead and get yourself some tickets for this Z06 convertible. The way to get your tickets before this giveaway runs out is by clicking the link down in my description or clicking the link down in my pinned comment section below. Once you have clicked the link, go to the top and click Donate Now to enter. Once you click Donate Now to enter, you will see at the left CGarner2X. Yes, CGarner2X. That's your code that will get you 50% bonus entries on your ticket purchases. Once you do that, you can buy $25, $50, $100, $200, $350, $500, $1,000, or $2,000, and that will get you your tickets to enter this drawing. You go to the right, click in, put in your information there, then you will click continue, and you will have just bought your tickets for your opportunity to win your new amazing Corvette Z06. I was told the secret is to buy $500 tickets 4 days in a row, and that was the secret to the last giveaway winner winning his 2024 Z06 convertible plus $30,000, and I've been a happy man ever since.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to another episode of Corvette 252. So thank you for being part of this episode. Thank you for being part of this channel. I hope you got yourself some tickets in the drawing. Great opportunity, great experience. But I'm here in Kentucky. I came over here to the National Corvette Museum, but I'm over across the street at the plant. As you can see, Proud Assembly in Bowling Green, US, Kentucky. Well, it doesn't say Kentucky, but you know what I mean. But when you come over here, you see lots of cool things, lots of cool people. This is where I met Kai, which used to be the general manager of the plant. Not anymore, but now I'm over here and I see some pretty cool looking cars. So we got a Riptide Blue Z06 and a Riptide Blue E-Ray. And now you get an opportunity to see both side by side, both vehicles, both specs, and all the goodies that come along with it. So as you guys can see, we have a fully decked out Riptide Blue Z06, Z07 package, Z07 Aero. As you guys can see by the rotors, that gives a good indication that this is a Z07 package with those rotors are absolutely humongous as well. That's a really good indication, obviously, that this is a Z07 package. As you can see, Z06 right there as well on the side of the car. You can see the Z07 Aero, carbon Aero right there on the side of the spoiler too. You can see how crazy it is. And these are the factory wheels. They don't never really put the center caps on here because I heard a lot of times those get stolen or get missing. I can kind of see people trying to take those away, so completely understand by that. This car has the silver brake calipers on this car. I probably would have done yellow because yellow would have stood out a little bit more, but it is what it is. And then we go over to this side. This is a convertible. I don't know what the MSRP on this build would be, but you see it has carbon fiber in the inside. It has the Sky Cool gray seats with the white stitching. It has the convertible carbon flash rooftop, black nacelles, and we go around. You can also see the front splitter is not there, but it do has the dampers that are carbon fiber as well. You know what's interesting is they probably didn't put those in there either because they probably would get stolen in the middle of the night. I mean, you know, it's kind of smart, right? People can probably take it off and put in a car, but people can probably take that piece off and put it on their car as well, you know? So I don't really get the whole ordeal behind it, I guess. I mean, maybe somebody did steal it and that's why it's missing right now. I don't really know. But so far, this build looks absolutely phenomenal. I like the Riptide blue. I like the carbon fiber pieces on it that are ones that are currently on it, except for the ones that are missing. It does have the side skirts that are on it. The side view mirrors are the body color of the car. The wishbone is black, obviously because this is not an E-Ray. And this Sky Cool gray seats are absolutely phenomenal in this build. Great spec on this. I give it a 7 out of 10. I really like the way this spec looks. I really like the Riptide blue a lot. It kind of reminds me of Laguna blue. It stands out, it pops. Way to go, Chevrolet. So now we go over to the E-Ray. And same color, Riptide blue. Doesn't have the body color front splitter on the front. It has the same with the body color mirrors, which is over here as well. As you can see, is over there as well. It does have the side skirts, but these are not carbon fiber. These are carbon flash side skirts as well. As you can take a look, the wheels are black. The calipers are red, which is great. It stands out. It pops. I like it. The wheels are black, so it makes the caliper stand out even more. This car does not have the center cap as well because, you know, most likely people would steal them, so I get why they don't have it on here. For anybody that doesn't know this, the wishbone comes in the same color on the E-Ray. They kind of give it a little bit of difference between the E-Ray and the Z06. Really great spec so far. This is also a convertible as well. That's also a convertible as well, but if you notice, this is a blue convertible. That is a black carbon flash convertible top. I like how it breaks it up a little bit. That's why I like the black more on that car than it is on this car, because this is just all blue completely. That's broken up with some black accent pieces. Now, this is the duck spoiler. It is broken up with a little bit of black underneath right here, underneath the spoiler, but up top it is blue. As you can see, that spoiler over there is completely black because it's carbon fiber. And you can see the exhaust tips on this bad boy is black. Looks great, looks absolutely phenomenal. I do think the E-Ray is a great vehicle. A lot of people are still questioning whether or not they should buy one because of the motor, of the electric motors actually. And I think the electric motors is one of those things where, yes, it's new to a Chevrolet product, but at the end of the day, you can truly get a sense of this is going to be a very special car because there aren't any all-wheel drive Corvettes. Like, there just isn't. You know, people do question whether or not how long the battery will last. I got a buddy of mine, Mr. Joe, who's concerned with how long the battery may last in an E-Ray, and we really don't know, right? That's the same thing you could say when it comes down to driving a Prius or some of these hybrid cars. How long would a battery last? And sometimes you get bad batteries. So you just hope that the E-Ray is a vehicle that people will love to adore as time goes on, because when people think of E-Ray, they think of, you know, how long can I drive on this car in the sense of just an electric battery. They just want to drive around town without having to use any gas. I know the Corvette is not meant for that, but I think the E-Ray is a really great build overall. I think the E-Ray offers a great amount of what the Corvette can be in the future, with the C9s and so forth and so forth. I think the E-Ray is a heck of a car. I got a couple of buddies that own them right now that really speaks highly of them. I decided to get a Z06 because I've always wanted to own one. And I think it's great to be able to talk about the Z06 from my viewpoint, and my other fellows can talk about the E-Ray from their viewpoint. Hopefully some days we can swap out cars and we can talk about the experience of driving both. I've already driven an E-Ray before on the track, but I never driven one as a daily driver for a couple of days, so that'd be a great experience to get to do. But I do believe that the E-Ray is a great car for the people who wants to drive something year-round and want an opportunity to get off the line quick and have all the power stay on the ground. But then if you want to go to the Z06 and you want an opportunity to drive hard, hear like an Italian exotic sound that goes through your ears and it just rattles it, the Z06 is where you want to be. I do think the Z06 has a lot of power naturally aspirated, and it's very possible this could be the last naturally aspirated vehicle of all time, especially if they continue to build more hybrids and more electric, you know, EVs. Who knows? I don't know where the cars are going in the future, but the Z06 could be the last naturally aspirated, without the superchargers on it, vehicle you will get. And I really truly believe Chevrolet did a phenomenal job with building the Z06. Now, with that being said, you guys, which one of these cars would you truly rather own? A Z06 or an E-Ray? Now, the E-Ray you can drive year-round. The Z06 you can drive year-round depending on where you live. The E-Ray comes standard with the big rotors and the big brakes. The Z06 does not. You have to get the Z07 package in order to do so. Do you trust the EV or E-Ray or what it comes with as far as the batteries and everything like that? Or do you rather have the naturally aspirated engine? Would you rather go 0 to 60 a lot quicker? Or would you rather just be a gas guy? Or would you rather have better gas mileage and poor gas mileage? All those things are something that you should really consider when it comes down to making the choices for your car. I will have future videos coming out with both still the Z06 and the E-Ray to kind of help you determine your decision in the future. Another thing is the E-Ray's lists are pretty short. The Z06's lists are pretty long. They're not making as many E-Rays these days, and they've slowly pumped out the Z06s. So you do have a preference on what you want to get, but at the end of the day, both cars are absolutely phenomenal from what I've been hearing through other people who own either an E-Ray or a Z06. So with that being said, you guys, thank you for watching this upload. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for pushing that play button. Thank you for being part of the community. Definitely get you some rifle tickets. Definitely try to win yourself a beautiful, beautiful Corvette. And I'll see you guys in another episode of Seek on the Speed 252.